If you want to find out how you can earn affiliate commission by helping millions of people searching online for a job right now, then watch very closely. You're about to discover the world's first ever app that lets you build 100% done-for-you automated job search sites that get free traffic and generate profits for you every day. Look, people search for jobs all the time. Millions were forced to change their careers in the last 2 years, and millions around the world are still looking. This is your chance to help people find new employment opportunities, and you can even earn some decent money while doing so. And this is why I built this app. Introducing JobberMatic. This is a cloud-based software that lets you create completely automated affiliate sites filled with millions of job listings from the world's largest companies like Amazon, Costco, UPS, Walmart, and thousands of other famous brands and employers. It literally takes seconds to set these sites up. All you have to do is pick a name and a domain, decide which city or job title you want to focus on, click one button, and that's it. Your site is instantly created and ready to crank out affiliate commissions for you 24/7. Every day, your site automatically makes posts on Facebook, Reddit, and other social media sites, telling people about the newest jobs. These posts are published on a complete autopilot, inside super targeted communities where people in need of a job see them and click a link to your site for more details. This free viral traffic snowballs every day, and your JobberMatic site turns it into easy earnings for you, click after click. And with thousands of pages on your site optimized to show up in Google for every specific terms that job seekers are typing into the search bar right this moment, you don't ever have to worry about SEO, content, or writing a single line of text. Your site even comes with a blog filled with fresh articles that attract even more free search engine traffic. Every hour, new jobs are being added, and the expired ones are removed, so there's absolutely no maintenance required on your part. You can literally build the site, pop in your affiliate IDs, and never touch it again. The software will work quietly behind the scenes, pulling free traffic and turning it into profits. So how exactly do these sites earn money? Your site comes with not just one, but 3 affiliate income streams built in. Here's how they work. Every time somebody comes to your site and clicks on a job result, you get paid. That's income stream number 1. Your site also has banner ads with your affiliate links in them, and every time somebody clicks them and buys, you get paid commission. And finally, all job results have these text ads placed on the very top. They use your affiliate links to promote a special type of offer, where people don't have to buy anything and you still earn commission. When somebody clicks these ads, they are taken to the offer page, and you get paid every time they fill out the form with their name, email address, and hit submit. People don't even have to buy anything for you to earn profits. This is a very lucrative income stream for a site, and we just had to include it in JobberMatic. You are literally 3 easy steps away from generating unlimited free traffic, unlimited buyer leads, and unlimited profits from clicks, banner ads, and affiliate commissions. Just think about that. With unlimited free traffic, buyer leads, and profits, anyone can finally stop worrying about their next paycheck and focus on the lifestyle they want and deserve. If you can follow these 3 easy steps, you can become the owner of a successful money-making site, so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live your life to the fullest potential. Step 1. Purchase JobberMatic. Quickly grab your account before the price increases. Please keep in mind that the price goes up every 60 minutes, so hurry up if you don't want to pay more later. Step 2. Log into the dashboard and create your site with a single click of a button. You can build job sites for 30 countries in 13 languages. Target any city, job title, or both. There are literally millions of possible combinations you can think of. Step 3. Enter your affiliate ID and instantly turn your site into a profit-generating machine. Your site even comes with 3 affiliate income streams, so you can earn from clicks, affiliate purchases, and when people submit a form. That's it. Your job is done. If you're just starting out and want to build a money-making affiliate site fast, then JobberMatic is for you. And if you think about it, it costs less than most people spend on coffee every month, but it's not going to be priced this low for long. The price goes up every day, and after this launch ends, it will be priced at $97. So hurry up to lock in your best deal before it's too late. And if you tried JobberMatic and need help with something, our dedicated support team will work with you through each step of the site building process until you're comfortable with it and your site is up and running. Or if you feel like the software is not for you, just send me a quick email within 30 days and I'll refund your entire purchase. No questions asked. The price will be going up without warning, So click the buy button below this video and get your account now.
I'm going to show you how you can build money-making job search sites that get free traffic and generate affiliate commission every day. JobberMatic is a cloud-based app that builds 100% automated job search sites. They come with free hosting included, and you can access the software anywhere from a web browser. There is nothing to install, you don't need to worry about software updates, and you can build your first site in 3 easy steps. It literally takes 2 minutes to set it up. First, log into the dashboard and click Build a New Site button. Let's give our site a name, and here you can pick a free subdomain. You can choose which of the 30 countries you want your site to focus on. If you want your site to target a specific city, state, or region, you can select the default location here. And if you'd like your site to focus on a specific type of jobs, you can pick the job title here. Click the Save button and your site is created almost instantly. Let's go back to sites and click on the domain link. You'll notice how clean the site is. And it's filled with millions of active job listings, and new ones are added every hour on a complete autopilot. Now here's the fun part. When people come to your site looking for a job, they're going to use the search, and as soon as they click on any of the job listings, you get paid for that click. All these job results use your affiliate link to take them to the page where they can apply. This is how your site makes money, and that's just one of the 3 affiliate income streams built into it. You're also going to be earning affiliate commission from banner ads. The software is integrated with ClickBank, which is one of the largest affiliate networks in the world. The ads are using your ClickBank affiliate links, and they are shown in the sidebar. These are highly targeted offers for job seekers. Every time they click these and buy, you get paid commission. And here's the 3rd income stream integrated into your site. All job results have these text ads placed on the very top before the actual listings, so they are impossible to miss. And these ads use your affiliate links to promote a special type of offers where people don't have to buy anything and you still earn commission. When people click these ads, they are taken to the offer page, and you get paid when they either fill out a form, give their email address and hit submit, or enter their phone number or other information. As you can imagine, it's much easier to have somebody fill out a form than make them buy something. So this is a very lucrative income stream for a site, and we just had to include it in JobberMatic. Your site also comes with a blog that already has some articles built in. If you want, you can add more content later for even more search engine traffic. Look, people search for jobs all the time, and the COVID-19 pandemic forced millions to change their careers, and millions around the world are still looking. This is your chance to help people find new employment opportunities, and you can even earn some decent money while doing so. So that's pretty much it. A very unique software, super easy to get started even if you're just a beginner and you've never made any profit online. I hope you pick it up and get started with your job search site today. Go ahead, click that buy button, and I'll see you inside the dashboard.